I'm not so keen in toppling government. You have seen Dr. Mukul not engage in toppling game in the past also. We only go by, okay, when responsibility is vested on us, we will shoulder the responsibility with utmost sincerity and we will try with utmost humility. We have tried. It may not be possible for us to give the best or give the maximum, but we have tried. Because when we are in the government, there are always some pulls and pushes. There are certain constraints, certain limitations. There are politicking. Your chair is shaky. I have worked even when my chair was shaky. Okay? I have to hold one of the chair with one hand and work with another hand. For last 8 years, yes, when my government was there, that's a fact. You all know. One hand was, holding the chair and one hand was working. You look at my photograph of 2016, 2017, look at my face, you will know that I was having sleep starvation. Yeah. So, there is no space for luxury and, whatever you call it,
But how you approach the coalition parliaments to come out?
See, we are all responsible leaders. If they feel they are equally responsible to save the state, to save the people, it is their job. Yeah, I don't have to coach them. Yeah.